When we die, our bodies go through a process called decomposition. This is when our cells break down and release their content into the environment. Some species of animals are capable of surviving after death, known as cryptology. In this video, we will explore 10 animals that can survive after death and give you a better understanding of their unique abilities. Polar bear. Polar bears are some of the most well-known animals that can survive after death. They have an ample amount of fat and blubber, which help them conserve energy when they are not active. The bear's fur is also a good insulator, so it can maintain body temperature in cold climates. The polar bear is one of the few wildlife species that are classified as threatened with extinction. One major threat to their survival is climate change. Polar bears are well adapted to cold climates, but as the temperature changes, they can become stranded in areas where they cannot find food or water. The situation is made worse by global warming, which is causing more ice to melt, making it harder for polar bears to find food and shelter. Grizzly bear. Grizzly bears are large mammals that live in the mountains of North America. They are the largest land-based animal in North America. Grizzly bears can survive after death by hibernating or by eating carrion. Known for their massive size, ferocious bites, and curious personalities, grizzly bears are one of the most iconic animals in North America. The grizzly bear is found mainly in Alaska and northwestern Canada, but also ventures into other regions of the United States. Grizzlies range in weight from 350 to 600 pounds and have a lifespan of 10 to 15 years. Grizzly bears are considered apex predators, meaning that they are at the top of the food chain in their environment. They primarily feed on large prey such as elk, deer, moose, and caribou. However, they will also eat small mammals, birds, and even fish if they can get it. Grizzlies are territorial by nature and will protect their territory from other bears. They typically live alone or in small groups, but may gather during hunting seasons or when raising young. Grizzlies are active all day long but tend to be more active at night. Cheetah. The cheetah is one of the most impressive animals in the animal kingdom. This big cat can run speeds up to 135 miles per hour and can jump up to 18 feet in the air. The cheetah also has an amazing ability to survive after death. When a cheetah dies, its body will start to decompose. However, the cheetah's muscles and internal organs are very resistant to decay. In fact, researchers found that after a cheetah's skeleton had been decomposing for 6 weeks, only 12% of its original mass remained. This incredible ability to survive after death is due to the cheetah's high level of vascularization, the presence of many blood vessels. This property allows the cheetah's organs and muscles to continue functioning even after they have decomposed. So next time you see a dead animal in your garden or street, remember that it may not be as dead as you think, and it could potentially be waiting for you at the end of its journey. Wolf. Wolf packs are an interesting animal species since they can survive after death. A pack of wolves can consist of anywhere from 1 to 30 individuals, and these packs typically live in packs of around 8 to 12 members. Packs of wolves usually travel in search of food, and they have been known to scavenge for food after accidents or natural disasters. Wolves are also known for their hunting skills, and they will often hunt deer, elk, and other large animals. Jaguarundi. There are many animals that can survive after death. Some of these animals include the jaguarundi, the proboscis monkey, and the vampire bat. These animals have special abilities that allow them to live after they have died. The jaguarundi is an animal that can survive after it has died. It is a type of wildcat that lives in South America. The jaguarundi can survive in deep water and cold environments. It can also climb trees well. The proboscis monkey is an animal that can survive after it has died. It is a type of monkey that lives in Africa and Southeast Asia. The proboscis monkey can survive in areas with high ocelot. The ocelot is a small wildcat-like animal that can survive after death. The ocelot has a robust immune system and is capable of living without food or water for up to 2 weeks. Additionally, the ocelot has a very high level of tolerance to pain and can shrug off injuries that would kill most other animals. The ocelot, also known as the civet and the pardus, is a species of felid found in tropical forests and grasslands throughout Africa, Asia, and the Americas. The ocelot is a slender animal with a long body and short tail. It has a long snout and large eyes. The coat is generally dark except for occasional yellow or cream spots on its back. The ocelot ranges in weight from 18 to 45 kilograms and can reach a length of 1.5 meters. Tortoise. In the wild, tortoises can live up to 200 years. In captivity, they can live up to 50 years or more. Tortoises usually hibernate in the winter, but some tortoises that live in warm climates may bask during the day. Tortoises eat a wide variety of plants and animals, including grasses, fruits, insects, worms, and other reptiles. Tortoises are a popular pet choice because they're easy to handle and can live for many years. They're also relatively low-maintenance animals, requiring only food, water, and occasional care. Tortoises that are kept as pets typically eat a diet of worms, grass, and other vegetables. Elephant. Elephants are one of the most fascinating animals on the planet. These giant creatures can survive after death and have been known to do so for a number of reasons. Elephants are able to suspend their breath underwater for an extended period of time, which gives them an advantage over other animals when it comes to surviving in aquatic environments. Additionally, their large body size and thick skin help protect them from dehydration and hypothermia. Some believe that elephants possess a special power that allows them to retain consciousness after death. It is believed that they become integrated into the spiritual world and can communicate with spirits who may guide them during their journey into the afterlife. Whatever the reason behind it, elephants are definitely one of nature's survivors. Crab. There are many animals that can survive after death. These animals have some special ability that allows them to overcome the challenges of being dead. One animal that can survive after death is the crab. Crabs are able to retract their limbs and claws so they look like they are not there. This ability helps them to avoid detection by predators. Crabs also have a mechanism in their abdomen that helps them breathe underwater. This enables them to live in areas where there is no oxygen available. Monkey. Monkeys are one of the most common mammals on Earth. They have a wide range of habitats, from rainforests to deserts. Monkeys typically live in groups of around 30 individuals, and they are social animals that use their communication skills to stay coordinated. Monkeys are capable of surviving after death by hibernating or by eating fruit that has been preserved in a dried state. The gibbons are one of the most interesting primates to watch in the wild. These arboreal animals are known for their acrobatic skills, and their agility is remarkable. They can swing through the trees like Tarzan, and they're even capable of leaping great distances. These creatures are also fascinating for their social behavior. Gibbons live in groups of around 20 individuals, and each group is led by a dominant male. These males often fight for dominance over the group, and they use their acrobatic skills to gain an advantage. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.